The Swiss Sturmgewehr 57 parts kit from RTG. Just wanted to document what I received. It all looks good as advertised. The milled barrel, it's unfortunate. The bluing on it is excellent. You don't get the middle part of the barrel. It's cut. One magazine with interesting sticker on it. In German, I don't know what it means. I don't speak German. I believe this is the aluminum 24 round 7.5 times 55 Swiss, I believe. These magazines are expensive. So in a kit you get one mag, front section, bipods, front sight, interesting stickers on the handguard. Schützenfest 1995, and there's another one, Jubiläum Schießen, September 1990. For those of you who speak German, this is the plastic or rubberized handguard. There's no cracks. This piece is aluminum, and Sling attaches to it sometimes, so you want to watch and see if there's any damage on it. There's some wear on it. Look at that. There's some wear on it. That's where the Sling attaches, tightens up the steel part, so it kind of eats up at the aluminum. So we got the front trunnion. Carrying handle is intact. Sometimes when they cut it, when they demill it, they cut the handle too. The barrel is cut, so you're missing this part. You're gonna be missing that, I guess, but it doesn't matter. I mean, if the barrel is cut, it's not good anymore. Alright, so we come to receiver pieces, and RTG was the only one that includes the receiver pieces, and the cuts are not that wide. Cocking handle, bolt, and you can notice that the bolt is neutered right here. The trip is cut away from it. This is the, I mean, it used to be Sturmgewehr, but it's not now. I put the receiver pieces together just to see how bad the cuts are. I mean, they're pretty bad, but who knows. For example, right here on top, this small, look at this section. It's like really bad right there. And that sheet metal is like less than 1 millimeter, so to weld that, I mean, that's gonna take some skill. The rear sight, it's nice. That's the neutered lower trigger pack. You can see there's missing one part, and then one thing is ground off right there. So, and then this is placed in here, and it's painted white to indicate that it's semi-out only. All right, we got the spring. We got that Swiss grease. You know, it's like graphite grease or whatever they use, and it's like really, when you're handling these Swiss arms, man, like you become dirty like a mechanic or something, like you were doing wheel bearings on your Volkswagen or something. So that's who owned this rifle in Switzerland. And I don't know what the number underneath is. It's probably like a soldier's number or their form of social security number or whatever, so they can identify it, who this rifle belongs to in Switzerland. It's SIG, made by SIG. Numbers are matching. All numbers are matching. It comes in this heavy-duty plastic bag with the serial number written on it. So that's how you know that when they were demilling this rifle, that they took care about keeping all the parts from the same rifle in the same bag. That's why you get a matching kit. Let's see if there's numbers on the bolt. Yeah, there's numbers on the bolt too. Numbers on the bolt. Numbers on stock. Numbers on the shroud. They didn't put the numbers everywhere like Germans do on every small part, so it is what it is. You get the sling also. Sling is the worst condition of all of it, fortunately. It's just a $20 sling. Still usable though. Also, what I purchased with it is bayonet. It was only like 60 bucks. It looks like this vinyl part of the, is it called frog? It looks initiated, but the bayonet is got some wear on it. And it was a leather. Look, it was a leather frog previously. They didn't remove this, but this goes underneath it. Get some wear on it. Let's see how it looks. $2400. No, it doesn't match the rifle. But I seen that there's some. I don't know if that can be cleaned up. But it's not mint for sure. This bayonet is not mint, but it's alright. I mean, it's a bayonet, you know. It's alright, man. Then the final part that I purchased from another vendor on sale, the barrel. I got the barrel, man. It's supposed to be some X grade. Just because some of the bluing is missing. I guess when these Swiss soldiers were carrying it, they were grabbing it by the barrel like this. So there's some bluing wear, but the most important thing is that the bore is perfect. Let's see if I can. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. The bore is mint. I don't know if these are. I don't think that they're chrome lined, but or the whole barrel is made out of the chrome moly, meaning that it's got some chrome in the steel, and that helps with preserving the barrel. It's got some anti-rust additives in the steel when they mint the steel, or when they forge the steel, I guess. So this is it, man. This is the whole kit. I guess this is how you date the date of manufacture of the rifle. Underneath the stock, plastic stock, I would assume that is 1963. the buttstock underneath. They slammed these on the ground. This one barely has any wear on it. So, and then the bolt face. If you don't have the barrel, if the barrel is missing, you can know how many rounds. Okay, you can kind of tell on the bolt face. It's polished out. It had some rounds through it. Also, what I get from RTG is these cleaning. What's a cotton? It's some sort of a cotton. For $10, you get this whole thing for $10, man. Wow. That's it, guys.